Creating a repurposed wood desk organizer offers numerous advantages that resonate deeply with modern interior decor and the growing trend of sustainability, making it an appealing project for both personal use and potential sale. At the heart of this endeavor is the beauty of repurposed wood, which not only provides a unique aesthetic, but also tells a story. Each piece of wood carries its own history, with visible grain patterns, knots, and imperfections that add character and charm to the final product. This distinctive quality sets repurposed wood organizers apart from mass-produced alternatives, appealing to consumers who value individuality and craftsmanship in their home decor. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of repurposed wood desk organizer craft design ideas for modern decor and sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The versatility of repurposed wood allows for a wide range of design possibilities, enabling artisans to create organizers that cater to various tastes and functional needs. A well-designed desk organizer can include compartments for pens, notepads, and other office supplies, effectively decluttering the workspace while enhancing efficiency. By incorporating elements such as personal touches, such as engraved names or inspirational quotes, artisans can create products that resonate on a personal level with customers, turning functional items into meaningful pieces that reflect individual personalities and lifestyles. This aspect of customization not only increases the appeal of the product, but also fosters emotional connections between the creator and the consumer, enhancing the perceived value of the organizer. From a practical standpoint, repurposing wood for desk organizers aligns perfectly with the principles of sustainable design, which is increasingly important to modern consumers. As environmental concerns grow, many people are seeking ways to reduce waste and make more conscious purchasing decisions. By utilizing reclaimed or salvaged wood, artisans contribute to the reduction of material waste, giving new life to wood that might otherwise end up in a landfill. This sustainable approach not only appeals to eco-conscious consumers, but also positions artisans as responsible creators who prioritize environmental stewardship. In an era where sustainability is at the forefront of many purchasing decisions, offering repurposed wood desk organizers can attract a dedicated customer base eager to support environmentally friendly products. Moreover, the process of creating a repurposed wood desk organizer can be incredibly fulfilling for artisans, allowing them to express their creativity and craftsmanship. The hands-on nature of woodworking fosters a sense of accomplishment as artisans transform raw materials into functional art. This creative process can become a source of inspiration, pushing artisans to experiment with different designs, finishes, and techniques. Each project can evolve into a unique expression of their style, resulting in a diverse product line that caters to a variety of consumer preferences. This artistic freedom not only enhances the quality of the finished product, but also keeps the creative process engaging and enjoyable, which can ultimately lead to greater success in the marketplace. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In terms of marketability, repurposed wood desk organizers offer a compelling narrative that can be effectively communicated to potential customers. Storytelling in marketing has become an essential strategy for brands looking to connect with consumers on a deeper level. By sharing the story of the materials used, the craftsmanship involved, and the sustainable practices employed, artisans can create a captivating narrative that resonates with buyers. This narrative not only highlights the unique qualities of the product, but also establishes a brand identity rooted in authenticity and responsibility. As consumers increasingly seek out brands that align with their values, the ability to convey this story can significantly enhance the appeal of repurposed wood desk organizers. Additionally, the rise of remote work and home-based offices has created a growing demand for functional and aesthetically pleasing office supplies. As more individuals seek to create productive workspaces at home, the need for stylish organization solutions becomes paramount. A repurposed wood desk organizer can serve as an attractive addition to any home office, blending seamlessly with various interior design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. The natural aesthetic of wood complements a wide range of color palettes and materials, making it a versatile choice for enhancing the visual appeal of any workspace. By tapping into this demand, artisans can position their products as essential items for the contemporary home office, appealing to a broad audience of remote workers, students, and professionals alike. Furthermore, the durability of repurposed wood adds to its practicality as a material for desk organizers. Unlike plastic or other synthetic materials that can wear out or break over time, high-quality wood can withstand daily use and maintain its beauty for years. This durability assures customers that they are investing in a product that will not only enhance their workspace, but also stand the test of time. As consumers become more discerning in their purchasing decisions, the longevity of a product becomes a significant factor. By emphasizing the durability and quality of repurposed wood desk organizers, artisans can effectively communicate the value of their products, encouraging customers to make a purchase that will serve them well into the future. In terms of aesthetics, repurposed wood allows for a range of finishes that can elevate the overall design of the desk organizer. Artisans can choose to leave the wood in its natural state, showcasing its raw beauty, or apply stains and sealants to enhance its color and protect it from wear. This flexibility in design enables artisans to create organizers that can either stand out as bold statement pieces or blend seamlessly into existing decor. This adaptability appeals to a wide range of consumer preferences, ensuring that there is a repurposed wood desk organizer suitable for every style. Lastly, creating a repurposed wood desk organizer can foster a sense of community among artisans and consumers alike. As more people become interested in handmade, sustainable products, a growing network of craftsmen and environmentally conscious buyers emerges. Engaging with this community through craft fairs, social media platforms, and local markets can provide artisans with valuable feedback, support, and opportunities for collaboration. This sense of community can be both inspiring and motivating, encouraging artisans to continue innovating and refining their craft while also building lasting relationships with their customers. The advantages of creating repurposed wood desk organizers are multifaceted, encompassing the unique aesthetic appeal, sustainability, durability, and marketability of these functional pieces. As modern interior decor increasingly prioritizes individuality and eco-friendliness, Repurposed wood organizers emerge as not only practical solutions for cluttered workspaces, but also beautiful additions that enhance the overall ambience of the home office. By tapping into the growing demand for sustainable and artisanal products, artisans can carve out a niche in the marketplace that resonates with consumers seeking quality, authenticity, and a connection to the craftsmanship behind each piece. Ultimately, the journey of creating repurposed wood desk organizers not only fulfills practical needs, but also contributes to a larger narrative of sustainability, creativity, and community in modern design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurposed wood desk organizer craft design ideas for modern decor and sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.